Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazzakwan Muhammad Izzat. My ID student is 2025423722. I will talk about my individual assignment for AGR 514, which is black pod disease of cocoa plantation. Black pod disease of cocoa initially appear as small, dark water socket spot on the pod surface. This spot rapidly expand into larger brown or black lesion, often starting at the pod base or tip. As the infection progresses, the entire pod turns black, shriveled and hardened, becoming mum-filled inside the beans roots turning slimy and discolored, rendering them unusable for chocolate production. In several cases, the fungus spread to flower cushion, stem and even tree trunk, causing dieback. A white fungal growth may appear unaffected pods under humid conditions, followed by premature pod drop. The disease thrives in wet, poorly ventilation cocoa farms, where it can destroy the entire harvest. For the Phytophthora palmivora, the disruption found in all local regions, which are the Latin America, Asia, and part of Africa. The phytogenicity causes pod, root stem canker, and root infection. It's less aggressive than P. megakarya, but still highly destructive. The survival is life in soil, infected plant debris, and alternative hosts, such as coconut, rubber, and citrus. It produces chlamydospores, which are thick wall survive spore and zoospores, as known as motile spore that spread via water. For the Breton megakarya, the distribution leads to endemic to West Africa countries, such as Ghana. The phytogenicity for Phytophthora megakarya is more aggressive than Phytophthora palmivora, causing rapid pod decay. It can affect pod stem and root, leading to tree dieback. The survival for Phytophthora megakarya can primarily soil-borne, surviving in cocoa debris spread via rain splash, contaminated tools and insects. There are 4 types of mode of infection, which is the first one is spore release. This the zoospore swim in water films such as rain or irrigation to reach pod. The second one is penetration via enter to natural openings such as tentacle or wounds caused by insect, damaged by harvesting injuries. The third one is by colonization, which is hyphae grow inside the pod killing cell and causing rot. For lastly, the mode of infection by secondary spread. Infected part produce more spores spreading to nearby trees. Why these pathogens are so destructive? Because it is high the reproductive rate in the thousands of spores per infected pods. Also, it's adapted to humid tropical climate, favoring cocoa growing region and ability to survive in soil for years, making eradication difficult. As for management and control of black pod disease in cocoa, the first one is culture control by farm, sanitization and hygiene, and the second one is proper spacing and drainage as for farm sanitation and hygiene. Collect fallen pods regularly to prevent soil contamination and prune shade tree to improve aspiration and reduce humidity for proper spacing and drainage. Avoid overcrowding, which are recommended spacing by 3 meters by 3 to 3 meter. Ensure good drainage to prevent waterlogged soil. That favorite for Phytophthora. The second one is chemical control. Use protective fungicide, which are copper-based spray that are mostly used, for example, copper hydroxide and also brodioxide mixture. chlorothalonil and mancozeb. As for conclusion, the black pod disease is a serious fungal infection that attack cocoa pods, turning them black and rotten, especially in wet and humid conditions. It spreads quietly and can destroy up to 90% of a farmer crops. If it is not controlled to fight, the farmer needs to keep their farm clean by removing infected pods, spacing trees properly for good airflow, and using fungicide like copper spray in West Africa, where the disease is worse. Rotating different fungicide help preventing resistance using the disease-resistant cocoa varieties, and nature method like helpful fungi can also protect the crop. The best approach combine good farm hygiene, careful spraying, and strong cocoa plant to keep harvest safe. So that's all for me.